Hello, welcome to Take a Step to a Better You. In this video, I'm continuing with the free course summary. The free course by Brian Brewer about affiliate marketing. He calls it the free 90-minute affiliate course. And I've been recording video. This is video number 4, but giving you just a summary to show you what's inside that free course. If you choose to go into the course, you are learning affiliate marketing. The beginning of affiliate marketing for beginners. It could be just starting out affiliate marketing for the very first time, that real affiliate marketing for beginners. But also, or you could be doing what I'm doing, which is high ticket affiliate marketing. For both of you, it's really beneficial. So if you are seeing me for the very first time, my name is Sherifa Nakalema. I'm a business owner here in Virginia, USA. And starting this year, I'm 100% an affiliate marketer, business owner, working from home right here, 100%. And this channel is focused on getting better as people, making more money, creating a business, getting better as people, limiting beliefs. I'm not good enough. I'm not smart enough. I have all the tools to use to get rid of those, to take our life to the next level. Now, this is video number 4. And the video I've finished is a series. So in number 1, in the course, remember I'm just summarizing the course. The details are in the course, but the course is not long. It's just 90 minutes, right? So in number 1, he said he's defining affiliate marketing, what it is. He's explaining that. In number 2, he said he was suggesting that when you're coming online to make money, starting a business, start with an affiliate product, start with affiliate marketing, right? Before you create your own product. That's what he meant, right? Then number 3, he said, choose the market. Are you in health? Are you in wealth? Are you in relationships? That was video number 3. Now, video number 4, choosing your first product. Remember the previous video, he said, choose the market. So if you are saying, for example, that you're choosing health, losing weight, now it's time to choose the product you're going to use to go with that industry that you chose. For us here, we like to talk about wealth, making money. So we are choosing this course. So this course takes you to your first product. And in this video, when he's explaining there in that lesson, he's talking about that this is how you go about it. Look at yourself in 2 ways. Do you have a skill you already have? Now, for example, maybe you lost weight and you want to share how you lost that weight. You already know. Or maybe you train people, you know how to show people how to lose weight. So that could lead to your first product. Because whatever you use to lose the weight is going to be the product you promote. But he also said the other option would be something you want to learn. Like if you want to learn, for example, how to make money online, then you're going to choose the product that's sharing that. That's where we come in with this course. If you want to learn how to make money online, then you choose this as your product because it's going to show you how to make money online. And then all you have to do is share your stories, your progress, how you're doing. And then I have another series where I talk about what you record in the first video, second video, third video. That's also on here. And it's also in this course, if you choose to upgrade, to show you how do you get to tell that story. What do you say in your first video, in your second video, the 17 videos? I also have a separate, right now Brian created a separate program for that. So if you want, you can leave a comment or connect with me. He separated it out of the bigger one. So you could just come and learn just what to send in the videos. So this is actually simple. Then he gives you examples and he also talks about the industry, affiliate marketing and e-learning, people learning online, the courses, how it's huge that it's time to get to this because it's the easiest way to make money actually. And you could end up creating your own course. Who knows? Maybe you have some knowledge. They guide you how to create a course, but start by promoting and understanding how these things work online, how to automate. And that's how Brian started, started promoting things for 12 years. Now he created his own products and he just added new ones. It's so exciting. So in summary, lesson number 4 is about choosing your first product. You're going to choose a product. If you have some knowledge, you can go with what you already know, or you are learning and then you are sharing. And as you are learning, whatever product you're using to learn is the product you're going to promote. And this one, he's suggesting that is your first product to promote because it also has all the guidance. Because if you choose to promote Brian's course, which is a digital course, you're going to have all the support. You're going to learn how to set up automation in the online and all that. Then after you get used to how the online world works and how people make money from it and how you're going to make your first money from this one, then you expand to whatever. Actually, the sky is the limit with this stuff. Okay, so if any of this stuff I'm talking about sounds interesting, please consider subscribing to my channel. I should have asked you a long time ago at the beginning. Consider subscribing. Like the video, please. Like it so that tap on the like, so that YouTube show that I show it to more people. That's it. Remember, I'm just give you summaries. The other three are in the description. Video number 1, number 2, number 3, the summaries. This is number 4, and then soon I'm going to code number 5. But recently I added a little short ending to these videos because normally I motivate here on this channel. But I've not recorded separate videos of motivation, so I just add them at the end. So today I'm adding, all the other 3 have motivations at the end of them. Now today, we're going to motivate ourselves with Steve Harvey. Steve Harvey, you know Steve Harvey, he's everywhere. He started even motivation these days, he speaks. And he has a message. He says that if you want to take your life to the next level, actually have to jump. He uses the word jump. You have to jump. Like you are right here. Can you imagine if you are like going and you find like some kind of bridge or something? You know when you're walking and you find somewhere, maybe there's water or something, and you have to jump and get there. That's what he's saying. You have to jump. Because it's intentional. Life, these things are not going to happen by chance. If you want more education, you're going to go sign up for a class. If whatever you want is going to be intentional, you jump. But she's talking about jumping because it's a big move. I want you to make a big move. You think about a person who is committed to losing weight. They're committed. They say, starting today, I'm not going to be like this. I'm changing my life. Then they sign up for something and they do it every single day. That's jumping. Now, for our situation here, we're talking about making money, creating a better life. Now, your jumping is going to be like right now. If you choose to go, you know, she's talking about this free course all the time. It's free. You don't even put a credit card. All you have to do is just put your email. I'm about to show you how you get to it. And that's it. So that's your jumping. So I'm saying whatever you feel you wanted to change in your life, the beginning step could be for you to find someone who has done it, who has done what you want to do, or is doing what you want to do. Someone who has lost the weight. You used to see them big and now they're small and say, how do you do it? So go close. They're telling their story, right? And now for us here, if I'm saying I'm working from home 100% right now, I used to clean homes. So what happened? How did you do it? Get close, I'll share. And now I'm promoting this course. I'm sharing this course. It's one of the best things that has happened because of that free course. Most people, they say, pay $7. I have others that I promote, pay $7, that's the beginning. But this is free. And all you have to do to make money with it is also promote it, just give it free to other people. It's as simple as, if you are from Uganda, eating matoke, my teacher used to say, like eating a certain kind of local food, that this, whatever he was teaching, this is as easy as eating matoke. So it's very, very easy. And it's only 90 minutes to go through the free course. So that was lesson number 4. And according to Steve Harvey, consider jumping, especially because this, you may be asking, what do we get from this course? You're going to learn how to make money, like 50% commission, like $1,000 commissions. But this one I would recommend most if you're in USA. If you're not in USA, I would say put a comment or put a comment. For me, I'll share a different kind of program. But this one is all developed countries. So if you're in a developed country, but in Africa, we have only one, which is South Africa. The rest are not considered developed, are not considered in this program. So if you're in Africa, only South Africa. But I would say, generally, this is not for other countries. For me, that's my opinion. When you're in USA, it's for you. If you're not in USA, I have the others for you. Just add a comment. Please share the one for me. I'm in this country. I'm going to respond on the comment with a video that takes you, because I have 1,000 videos almost. There are so many. I'm not going to ask you search my channel. Okay, so do that. Now, for you who is jumping, like Steve says, and you're in USA, see below, there is a link that takes you to Brian. it starts off with me asking for your email, me, Sherifa, and then I respond and give you, in an email, respond and give you a link to Brian. It's in my email. I made it purple. It's a purple email. It's unique. It has a link to Brian, and Brian is going to ask you just to confirm your email, put your email, confirm it, and he's going to give you access to the free course. Go through the free course and see where it takes you. In that email that I sent to you, you'll see that there is a WhatsApp number. If you want to communicate with me, for those people who are choosing to do this course, you'll be able to get to my WhatsApp number. Text me. I have Zoom calls, Zoom meetings. I support people. We're going to support you to see how this one starts mostly with TikTok right now. Later, it could be a different app, but as I'm recording this right now, which is March 2024, TikTok, also in a combination with WhatsApp, it's working really well. So if you don't mind using those two, you are good posting on TikTok. But you can use Instagram, you can use Facebook, you can use YouTube, you can use LinkedIn, any other you are comfortable with. We're going to show you how to do that because Brian is having that. And if you choose to upgrade to the paid version of this course, then we meet twice a week. So you see, we are the insiders. And like yesterday, we met. Oh, that was great. I'm telling you, there's a lot to learn. There's a lot to do. We can change our lives. That's my message today. That's lesson 4. Lesson 1, 2, 3 summaries are below in the description. But if you don't want to waste your time with all that, just go straight and go. It's inside and go through them. All of them together are just 90 minutes. This lesson 4 is 10 minutes inside. So it's short. They're short. That's what Brian is doing. He wants people to take action and get to results. Results may mean working from home, working from anywhere you choose. Just use your phone and being able to do your work. Can you imagine? Just using your phone. Of course, laptop if you can, but sometimes just your phone. If you have a good phone, you can do what we are doing. Like I always end these, I say take very good care of yourself, take very good care of your families, take very good care of your health. Please like it, please share it, please subscribe to my channel, and add a comment for me. But most importantly, check out the link to this free course, or just add a comment if you're not in USA. Take a step to a better you. Bye-bye.